How to fix this reel is unavailable on Instagram. So first is to make sure that the application has been updated to its latest version. So if not, just go to the Play Store, search for Instagram, and see if there is an update option. So if not, that means that your application has been updated. So if the issue is still not fixed, locate your settings application, scroll down and find apps. Now using the search icon, search for Instagram. Then located on the lower right corner, select Force Stop. Scroll down and then select Storage. Tap the Clear Cache and Clear Data icons which is found below. Now select Permissions and make sure that all of these permissions are enabled. So if not, just tap the permission and select Allow. Now do the same to the rest. After doing all of these, restart the Instagram application and open and see if the issue has been resolved. And that is how you fix this reel is unavailable on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.